Hey guys, we just got our 2018 F-150 back from the shop. We've already covered some pretty good ground with this budget, doing headlights and the suspension and a couple other mods. And we've actually still got a little bit more room in the budget where we've covered tires and tonneau cover and a few other things. So we're gonna break that all down for you here today and talk about what we did within that $2,000 range. Don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube here to keep up with this build and all of our other videos that we post. And also follow us on Instagram for daily uploads of different photos or videos that we've got going on around the shop. So in the realm of bed protection and accessories, we decided to do a tonneau cover on this truck, and we went with the X-Sting Trifecta 2.0, which is a soft folding tonneau cover. It essentially uses like a metal rail frame with the soft top pulled over it, and then you can fold that back 3 times to give you however much access you need into your bed. It's pretty lightweight, definitely one of the more affordable tonneau covers on the market. They run right around $460, so it keeps us pretty well within our $2,000 budget right there, and definitely gets the job done as far as keeping our equipment safe and dry. With the remaining couple $100 in our budget, we wanted to make sure we got this truck stance just right. So we focused on a couple different areas. The first thing was doing the Ready Lift 2 1/4 inch spacer to get the front end leveled out and give it a nice even stance so it's not nose down. Then we also added the Bora wheel spacers to bring the factory wheels out a little further so you don't get the train car look where they're tucked in really far inside the fenders. And then on top of that, which kind of pushed us a little over budget, but was definitely a necessity, was these new Falken Wild Peaks. We went with the all-terrain ones. They're a 275/70/18, so a pretty good meaty sized tire that is more aggressive than your standard highway tire that comes on these trucks, but isn't gonna be overbearing and isn't gonna catch or rub, because thankfully with that Ready Lift spacer in there, we do have a little bit of extra clearance to accommodate a larger tire like this. So that wraps up the $2,000 tier of our 2018 F-150 budget build. You can kind of go over it all from the top. For lighting, we've got the Diode Dynamics LED low beam bulbs, the Crystalux LED fog light bulbs, as well as the Raptor style LEDs in the grille for a little bit more style. Then we also added the WeatherTech floor mats, the ProMax bed liner, and the Trifecta 2.0 tonneau cover. Then for the stance, we did the Ready Lift 2 1/4 inch spacer kit, the Bora wheel spacers with our factory wheels, and the Falken Wild Peak all-terrain tires that are a 275/70/18. Now, if you're paying attention to the numbers we just showed you, we did go about $212 over budget on this, and that was because we really wanted to make sure we got those Falken Wild Peak tires in there. We could have opted for a cheaper tire or a less capable all-terrain to put in there, but we really just didn't want to deal with that, and we liked the way the Falkens perform, so we made sure to squeeze those in, and it put us just that little bit over budget. But if you guys stay tuned, we are going to be releasing some videos soon doing off-road testing with the Falkens and with the Ready Lift suspension that we had, so definitely keep an eye out for that stuff. And then we're also going to be bumping the budget up from there to $4,500. That's going to give us a lot more wiggle room with what we can do with this truck, and so we're going to be throwing in some new mods like different suspension, new wheels, some engine mods, which I know a lot of you guys are looking forward to, and it should make a big difference in the way that this truck performs both on and off the road. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button below. Please hit it, hit that subscribe button, help us out, and definitely stay tuned here for more of our videos, installs, reviews, everything else you guys want to see. Keep track of that build, and definitely check us out on Facebook and Instagram for other daily updates.